Yes, students, we will continue exercise 11.2 from question number 7. In question number 7, focus of the parabola is given to you 6, 0. Directrix is x is equal to minus 6. Now firstly see all of you. Focus 6, 0. Value of x is 6, y is 0. It means this point lies on x-axis and x is equal to minus 6. This line is this. At this point value of x is minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 line parallel to y-axis. This is directrix. So from the focus and directrix you can take idea that this parabola will be right-handed parabola. And always for right-handed parabola equation will be of this type. Y square is equal to 4ax. And now we have to find out value of a. So focus coordinates are 0, a, 0. So what is value of a here? A is 6. So in place of a, put the value of a, 4 into 6x. So y square is equal to 24x. This is the equation of a parabola. So from question number 7 to 12, these questions are reverse of first 6 questions. In first 6 questions, equation of parabola was given to you. We have find out terms related to parabola, means focus, directrix, axis of parabola. Now few terms related to parabola given to you and we are finding equation of a parabola. Now see question number 8. Parabola and directrix given to you. Directrix is y is equal to 3 and parabola is 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3. Value of x is 0 and y is minus 3. This point lies on negative direction of y-axis. So this parabola will be downward parabola. And always for downward parabola equation will be of this type. X square is equal to minus 4a yn. What is a? A is minus 3. So write down here. Sorry, a is 3. In place of a write down 3. So you will get x square is equal to minus 12y. This is the equation of a parabola. So this is question number 8. Now see next question. In question number 9, vertex is 0, 0, focus 3, 0. This also, it's very simple. Question number 9 and 10. These two questions are similar. I am telling you one. Question number 9. Question number 10 you will try yourself. Vertex is 0, 0 and focus is 3, 0. Point 3, 0. This lies on positive direction of x-axis. This is vertex. So here also parabola will be right-handed parabola. And equation for right-handed parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. And what is a? A is 3 here. If you put in place of a 3, then you will get y square is equal to 12x. So this is equation of a parabola. Now see question number 11. In question number 11, vertex is 0, 0. Parabola passes through point 2, 3. Point 2, 3. Value of x is 2 and y is 3. This point lies in first quadrant and parabola passes through this point. So two conditions are there. If upward parabola is there, then also this parabola passes through this point and you can take right-handed parabola. Both parabolas, upward and right-handed, passes through this point. But you will take any one out of these two. So see furthermore what is given to you. Axis is along x-axis. For upward parabola, axis is y-axis, but for right-handed parabola, axis is x-axis. But now in statement, axis is x-axis. This is given to you. That's why in place of upward parabola, you will take right-handed parabola. So now this parabola passes through this point. Vertex is 0, 0 and axis of this parabola is x-axis. So we have right-handed parabola in this case. So for right-handed parabola equation will be y square is equal to 4ax. Now we will find out a. For finding a, focus is not given to you now, but point of parabola is given to you. And parabola satisfied this point. That's why in this equation in place of x and y, use this point. So you will get 3 square means 9. 4 into a into 2. You will get value of a. A is equals to 9 by 8. So in this equation in place of a, use this value. Y square is equal to 4 into 9 by 8 into x. So you will get y square is equal to 9 by 2 x, or you can say 2y square is equal to 9x. So this is the required equation of a parabola. Now see last question of this exercise 12th question. Vertex is given to you. Again, one point of parabola is given to you, but now parabola is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Parabola passes through point 5, 2. 5, 2. This point also lies in first quadrant because x and y both are positive. Vertex is 0, 0. Again, two conditions are possible. One is upward parabola, second is right-handed parabola. But now axis of parabola is y-axis. That's why we will take upward parabola, because in case of upward parabola, axis will be y-axis. So now equation for upward parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. So we have to find out value of a. How you will find out a? Parabola satisfied this point. That's why in the equation in place of x and y use this point. 5 square is 25 is equal to 4 into a into 2. You will get 25 is equals to 8a, or a is equals to 25 by 8. So here put value of a. X square is equal to 4 into 25 by 8y, or you can say 2x square is equal to 25y. So this is the required equation of a parabola. So in this way, if few terms related to parabola given to you, then very easily you can find out equation of a parabola.